Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Dressing for a family photo shoot. Style your kids according to their personalities. Every child is unique and has unique interests, as well as clothes they like to wear. You can go on trend with their outfits, or try a retro, classic, or preppy style. Whatever you decide on, though, make sure it reflects who they are. If they are old enough, have your kids participate in choosing their outfits. It might be tempting to dress identical twins in identical outfits, but make sure it won't cause an argument. The same goes for different outfits. Keep the weather in mind when dressing for an outdoor shoot. Nothing is worse than being too cold, hot, or wet when trying to look good in a picture. Hit up several different weather information sources and get an updated forecast as close to shoot time as possible, just to be sure. Photo shoots require a lot of standing still. If it's cold outside, it will feel even colder when you're not moving. Consider including an indoor bad weather option in case your outdoor dream location doesn't cooperate. Coordinate your family members, but let their style shine through. It's not about being matchy-matchy. Choose a common theme for your outfits, maybe based on interests you share or on a fun family trip. Bring along security items for younger children. Meltdowns are never fun, especially when everyone is trying to smile and look happy for a photo. Bringing a favorite book or toy from home can lessen the possibility of drama and increase your chances of getting that perfect happy face in the picture. Dressing for a business photo shoot. Take the corporate dress code into consideration. Every company wants its employees looking good, but the definition of good depends on the company. Study the dress code at your place of business and do your best to work within it while still dressing as an individual. Check examples of previous employees' photos to confirm your wardrobe choices. When in doubt, ask. A coworker or manager can let you know if you've gone over the line. Wear darker shades of clothing to appear more professional. Even if you've chosen a business casual look, go for the navy blue over the pastel green. Dark colors read as serious and businesslike. With the right color, a polo shirt can project that air of success. Avoid baring your arms. Even with business casual dress, many companies find unclothed arms to be unprofessional. For men, leave your short-sleeve shirts at home. Women should find alternatives to sleeveless blouses, tops, and dresses. Dressing for a school photo shoot. Wear clothing that complies with your school's dress code. To avoid the hassle of having to go home and change, take a look at your school's guidelines for acceptable clothing. It's likely that the rules for the photo are the same as the rules for the classroom. Dress to suit your personality. Even if you're working within a dress code, you can still keep it original. Need to wear a tie. Pick one with a fun color or pattern. If you're unable to change up your clothes, you can try changing up your accessories. Prepare for picture day. School can be a hectic place, so plan ahead for your big photo shoot. Gather your outfit choices and pick what speaks to you. If you have to change into your picture outfit at school, make sure your clothes will do well on a hook or hanger or in cramped locker, depending on your storage options. Dressing for an acting photo shoot. Dress for the roles you want. Wearing a business suit in your headshot can make you stand out if the parts you're seeking are for CEO or politicians. If your lane is more casual, maybe a t-shirt will work. The more you can communicate about yourself through just the picture, the better. Bring different outfit options. Your photographer can shoot several different versions of your headshot and pick the outfit that best matches your personality and advertises your talent. Some colors work better than others on given skin tones. Pick the ones that flatter your face. Find a way to wear the best. If you're a struggling actor who hasn't yet broken in, you may find your wardrobe leaves something to be desired. Rather than shelling out for expensive threads, you can try borrowing from friends or seeking out stores with generous return policies.